Ready to unlock some secret savings on your next Shein haul? Applying a referral code is super easy and can get you awesome discounts and perks, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. First, if you're a new Shein user, the best time to enter a referral code is during the sign up process when you're creating your account. Look for a field labeled referral code. It may be hidden, or you might need to look around to see it, usually on the bottom of the page. Carefully type in the referral code you received from a friend or online, making sure you enter it correctly, so you do not miss out on all the savings. Now, sometimes, you can also add a referral code during the order process, but keep in mind this option might not always be available and can depend on specific promotions. Shein is running check for a designated space in your shopping cart or during checkout. If you're having trouble, double-check that the code is still valid and that you haven't already used a referral code before. Referral codes are typically for first-time users, so once you have used one, you will not be able to use another. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to snagging some sweet deals on Shein. Don't forget to share your own referral codes in the comments below so everyone can save some money. Thanks for watching.